Welcome back to That Adventure Couple. We have made our way to Southeast Asia. The first country on our tour of Asia is the beautiful country of Malaysia. Today we'll be exploring the fascinating city of Kuala Lumpur. Kuala Lumpur is the nation's capital and it is located in the central region. It's home to nearly 2 million people. So we arrived in Malaysia last night. We are in Kuala Lumpur. Tell me, babe, what are we going to do today?
Today we got up early so that we could go to the Batu Caves, which is a temple, but it is also the location where a few years ago they repainted the stairs to be the rainbow staircase.
The Batu Cave is a Hindu temple, so girls, you'll have to cover up. They do sell scarves at the temple and you can purchase them there and they'll help you put them on and then you get to keep them when you leave. If you want to save a few dollars, you can bring some scarves from home or come in attire that covers your arms and legs. There are 272 stairs leading up to the temple cave. These stairs were painted in their bright colors back in 2018. The Malaysian language is called Malay, and in Malay, the word Batu means rock. The Batu Caves hill consists of about 20 caves, the most famous being the Temple Cave, which is the one we visited today. The limestone that forms the Batu Cave system is estimated to be around 400 million years old. There are many shrines throughout the cave temple, and there are ceremonies going on all of the time. In fact, there was even a ceremony going on while we were here, so we got to explore the cave to some cultural music.
We have no idea what you ordered, but you only paid 8 RM for it.
So there was this really nice couple with a roadside stand. We needed some breakfast, so we stopped and ordered, just asked them for one of a half a dozen different things that they have, and it came out to be about $1.50. So we'll see. Our $1.50 breakfast was actually really good. Now we're off to the Forest Eco Park. Our next stop in our Kuala Lumpur tour is the Forest Eco Park. It's down at the base of the big Space Needle that's here. So if you're going to do the skywalk, then you'll be right here by the Eco Park as well. So if you want to check it out, this is what it looks like.
Right at the base of the tower is also where the upside down house is. You are able to go inside that as well.
We visited the Eco Park in the morning on a weekday, so there were almost no other people here. The park is beautiful and it was very peaceful, but there are a lot of mosquitoes here, so bring your bug repellent. Doing the canopy cable bridges right now. It's pretty cool that this eco park is right in the middle of downtown Kuala Lumpur, so there's huge skyscraper buildings. In fact, that one over there is the second tallest building in the world. And you're right in the middle of all that with this nature park. This is a first for our trip. We saw our first monkey. We will probably see a lot of these in the days to come.
I was so excited. I was like, look, Europe, less stairs. I feel gypped. I feel lied to. This is a lot of stairs.
Courtney was pretty excited about the bamboo. Where we come from in the Midwest, I think you can grow it, but we really don't see a lot of it at home. It is fall, so leaf collecting at home. It's a little different meaning here. The canopy walk was a lot of fun, but it's time to move on to our next stop. The next stop on our Kuala Lumpur tour is the Federal Mosque. We're hoping to get some pretty pictures inside.
It was built in 1997 and was finished in 2000, and it was actually built by the government.
So a couple of takeaways. One, the mosque is really pretty. Two, girls need to cover up your shoulders and your legs and your arms and pretty much everything.
Hair. all of it.
Yeah, hair, everything. Guys, you can't wear shorts if you're there. They do offer robes, and they hand out robes. So she got one, and I got one, and they didn't charge us for them. So that's nice. They do make you take a tour, so you have to have a tour guide person that they provide you with to walk you around, and it explains everything. It was really nice to have them explain like the Muslim religion and stuff to us, because we weren't really that hey we weren't really that knowledgeable about it to start with, so that was pretty cool. The mosque is huge. During prayer time, the interior of the mosque can house about 7,000 people, and there's room for an additional 10,000 people in the courtyard outside. The tour guide was free. You do, of course, tip. It was a nice experience. After visiting the mosque, we wanted to explore the downtown area. Courtney and I come from a small town, so we're not really big city people, but we really liked Kuala Lumpur. The downtown area is really nice, and there's so much greenery everywhere, it doesn't really feel like the concrete jungle. One of the most recognizable features of the Kuala Lumpur skyline are the Petronas Towers. When the towers were completed in 1998, they were the world's tallest buildings at nearly 1,500 feet. At the base of the towers, connecting the two, there is an enormous shopping mall. And out behind the buildings, you'll find a beautiful park with walking trails and water features. It was a really nice place to visit. All this walking made us hungry, so it was time to stop for some delicious kebabs. Downtown Kuala Lumpur is really a beautiful mix of modern architecture and natural beauty. We have lots more of this fascinating city to explore, so be sure and hit that subscribe button so you won't miss the rest of Kuala Lumpur.